Hello my dear audience, welcome to Palas Tech for another wonderful learning video. Have you ever wished you had an AI assistant that could help you write emails, summarize long documents, answer questions, generate ideas, and even help with coding? Now, it's time to meet Claude. Claude is one of the world's most advanced AI assistants designed to understand language, reason through problems, and help people get work done faster. In this video, you'll learn what Claude is, how it works, what makes it different from other AI tools, and how beginners can start using it today. Claude is an artificial intelligence assistant developed by Anthropic. You can think of Claude as a highly advanced digital assistant that understands natural language. Instead of learning commands or programming languages, you simply type questions or requests in everyday English. Claude then processes your request and generates a response. Claude can then generate responses, summarize information, write content, and analyze documents. It helps with brainstorming ideas and much more, right from your devices. Claude was developed by Anthropic, an AI company focused on building helpful, honest, and safe artificial intelligence systems. Anthropic's goal is to create AI that is powerful while also being reliable and aligned with human values. The company has released multiple generations of Claude, each becoming more capable at understanding complex instructions and solving problems. You don't need to understand all the technical details to use Claude effectively. At a high level, Claude has been trained on enormous amounts of text. During training, it learns patterns in language, helping it understand questions and generate useful responses. When you type a prompt, Claude predicts the most helpful response based on everything it has learned. So what can Claude actually help you with? A lot. Let's look at some common uses. Claude can help write emails, blog posts, reports, social media content, and much more. If you have a long document, Claude can summarize key points in seconds. Students and lifelong learners use Claude to understand difficult concepts and receive personalized explanations. Developers use Claude to explain code, find bugs, and generate programming examples. Need ideas for a business, YouTube channel, marketing campaign, or project? Claude can help generate creative suggestions. The secret to getting better answers is writing better prompts. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to Claude. Compare these two prompts. One is vague, while the other is specific and detailed. The more context and detail you provide, the more useful Claude's response will usually be. Example 1. Write a professional email requesting a meeting with a client. Example 2. Summarize this report in 5 bullet points. Example 3. Explain artificial intelligence to a 12-year-old student. Be specific. Provide context. State your goal. Ask follow-up questions. While Claude is extremely powerful, it's important to understand its limitations. Claude can occasionally make mistakes. It may provide outdated information, misunderstand instructions, or generate incorrect answers. That's why important information should always be verified using trusted sources. Always remember to verify important facts. Claude is one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. Whether you want help writing, learning, coding, brainstorming, or analyzing information, Claude can save time and increase productivity. The best way to learn is simply to start experimenting. Ask questions, explore ideas, and discover how AI can help in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to learn about artificial intelligence. Keep watching Palas Tech for more knowledge. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.